Hey guys, Assalamualaikum, hello, hi, and once again welcome back to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. And today we are going to see how to make chicken tikka masala. I'm sure many of you love chicken tikka, but when it comes with gravy, it's super delicious and it goes so good with any kind of Indian breads. Believe me. So I'm going to share my secret recipe with you all on how I make my delicious chicken tikka masala. So you sneak into it while I do it. So here you go, I'm using boneless chicken. You can also use bone-in chicken. Please wash the chicken with vinegar and salt water. That's for our safety purpose, and also it kills any kind of bacteria which is there in the chicken. And then once the water is drained, add the chicken to a bowl and add yogurt along with the ginger garlic paste. Ingredients in the description box, please have a look at it. So here I'm adding yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala with some curry powder, paprika powder for flavoring, and little bit of food color, and then with some salt and lemon juice, one lemon juice, and mix all these ingredients well together. Don't forget to wear your gloves and marinate this for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we are going to work on it. So after 20 minutes, I'm going to fry it in a pan. So you can also fry them in a wok deep fry, but I want to go for a pan fry with little bit of butter for flavoring and also for tenderness of the chicken. While my chicken is getting cooked, I'm going to work on the masala. So here I have added oil, again a little bit of butter for flavoring with some whole garam masalas, which is bay leaf, cinnamon, clove and cardamom. And then I have added chopped onions to it. While I'm frying the onions, I'm going to look on the chicken as well. And the onions are getting translucent, wherein I'll be adding in the ginger garlic paste. Mix all this together, and here I have one finely chopped tomatoes, which I'm going to add it on to it. Now here I'm adding red chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder with little bit of curry powder, and mix all these ingredients well together and cook in a very medium flame until the oil oozes out. And I'm also keeping a track of the chicken. See, it's slightly turning out crispy and golden in color. Okay, now to the gravy, I have added tomato puree. You can add tomato puree homemade also, but this is a store-bought one, which is just 2 teaspoons. Mix all this, again cook in a low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes until the oil oozes out, and then we will add the cooked chicken to the cooked masala which is there. Now add the chicken. Now here I'm adding just 2 to 3 teaspoons of fresh cream to it. This is optional. I like the cream flavor, so I'm adding. If you don't want, you can skip it. And then you can add roughly chopped capsicum with roughly chopped onions and some roughly chopped coriander leaves. Mix all this together and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes in a medium flame. And then your delicious and yummy delicious chicken tikka masala is ready to be served. At the end, you can squeeze some lemon extract over it, the lemon juice over it, and it's ready to serve. So you should definitely give this a try and keep sharing, keep watching, keep liking. We'll be back with another recipe soon. Until then, you take care. Allah Hafiz.